Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit radio. Before starting any work, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This prevents electrical issues. Next, gather your tools. You will likely need plastic trim removal tools and various screwdrivers. Finally, place a soft cloth or tape around the work area to protect your dashboard from any accidental marks or damage during the process. With safety precautions in place, the next step is to access the radio. Gently use your plastic trim removal tools to pry off the decorative panel surrounding the radio. Work slowly and methodically to release the clips holding it in place. Once the trim is removed, you will typically find several screws or specific release slots that secure the radio to the dashboard. Now it is time to extract the radio. Use a suitable screwdriver, often a Torx T20 or a 7mm socket, to remove the screws. Some older models may require 4 special radio release keys inserted into the corners. Once unfastened, gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard. Then, carefully disconnect the multiple electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the unit. After successfully removing the radio, take a moment to inspect the exposed wiring and connectors for any potential damage. Store your old radio in a safe, dry place in case you need it later. If you are installing an aftermarket unit, you will likely need a new fascia adapter to ensure a seamless fit and a professional finish in your Ford Transit's dashboard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.